First, take Ellipse tool. Draw a circle. Hold Alt and drag the circle to make a copy. Select both. Take Shape Builder tool and follow the process. Take Direct Selection tool and follow the process. Select the shape, right-click on the shape, then Transform, and then Reflect. And follow the settings. Right-click on the shape, and then Group. Then select the shape, and turn off the fill color. By selecting the shape, go to Object, then Blend, and then Make. Select the shape, hold Alt, and drag the shape to make a copy. Select both. Right-click on the shape, and then Group. Again right-click on the shape, then Transform, then Rotate, and follow the settings. Then press Ctrl+D to make more copy. Then take Rectangle tool. Draw a rectangle shape as the size of the artboard. And follow the process.